So again, I am just here. Okay. So I want to say something that welcome to this video. And my name is Itish, and today in this video we are just going to the discussing about the very interesting topic that how can we create the applications, how can we create the softwares, how can we create the websites. Okay, because all these three things is interesting, all these things is very necessary thing also. Okay, so let's start this video. So I want to say you something that for the create any type of the applications and for the create the softwares and the websites, which languages is necessary. Okay, so I want to say you that there is a websites. First one is a we have the website. Okay, and then second one is the we have the applications. Okay, and then we have the third one is the softwares. Okay, inside the software we have the, we can say that is a software is a application software in the system softwares. Okay, so that's why that's okay. But I want to say you something that if you want to create the applications, then you must have the some programming languages, that is a C and the C plus plus and the Java. But all these things is not necessary. Okay, you must have only and only the Java. Okay, Java or Kotlin with the SQL, that is a and SQL, and plus you must have to the some knowledges about the XML. Okay, because XML will be create the layout for your all these things. Okay, for your applications. So I want to say you for the create the application we have the Java programming, or you can also choose the Kotlin, that is a Kotlin, and then SQL, that is a for the database connection, for the create the table and the row and column wise to store the data in the our database. Okay, so I hope that you have the clarity that what I want to say you. We must have the Java or Kotlin with the SQL, or okay. But if you want to the create the uh, for the iPhones applications, then you can choose the Swift. Okay, SWIFT. And I want to say you something that if you want to create the websites, then you must have to the move to the Python and CSS, Java script, and the uh, HTML with the SQL. SQL will be everywhere, bro, because SQL is the database connection. If you have no any database, if you are not going to the store the data of your all these users, then how can you do anything? Okay, so database connection will be everywhere. Okay, in the software development, in the website development, in the application development, everywhere will be software, everywhere will be SQL. Okay, SQL, that is a structured query language. Okay, MySQL workbench, on the MySQL workbench we will work all these things. Okay, so I want to say you something that if you want to the create the website, then you must have the to the HTML, CSS, and then JavaScript, and then you must have to the some knowledges about the web development in the Python. Okay, and some knowledges in the uh, SQL. Some not lot of knowledges should be there, because you are just going to the perform the lot of the operation in the with your users details. Okay, so I hope that you have the clarity. And if you are going to the create the applications, then you must have to the use the you choose the Java or Kotlin, and Swift for the application for the not for the Android, for the application for the iPhones. Okay, that is a Mac OS. Okay, and then if you want to the create the uh, want to create the website app the set, if you want to create the softwares, then you must have to choose the C programming. Okay, and also you have to the choose, you must have to the choose the Python, because Python is going to the providing a lot of the thing, bro. This is going to the providing the uh, website development, and also this one is going to the providing the software developments. we can create the notepads and etc, notepad, PowerPoint, and etc, so on the softwares whatever we are going to the use. So all these things can be used through the our Python in the using the Kinter. Okay, so I hope that you have to the clarity that which things we have to the learn programming languages to create the applications, to create the websites, and to create the softwares in our to solve the real life problems in our world. Okay, so I hope that you have to the clarity all these things here. But I want to say that if you have any type of the questions, you can ask me with the help of the your comment box. Okay, so let's bye, meet you again in the next video with the next topic, with the next level of the our programming concept. Okay, so let's bye, let's bye.